Hello friends, today another topic is here. इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स भाई मेरे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स 2 का एक अनदर पार्ट लिया मैंने ये एरर फंक्शन एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फंक्शंस. सो एक जनरल डेफिनेशन एंड सम टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स एंड हियर. सो लाइक्स करें ज़रूर फ्रेंड्स, वीडियोस को लाइक्स करें, सब्सक्राइब करें and share to friends something. So come to here. So first error function. The general definition here, a definite integral of the form 2 upon under root pi 0 to x e raised to minus t square dt is a definite integral that form 2 upon root pi 0 to x raised to t square dt is called error function. दोस्तों फ्रेंड इसको हम अगर प्रोबेबिलिटी के सेंस में कहें दैट इज अ नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बट नॉट गो टू द प्रोबेबिलिटी हियर एंड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय error of x. Error of x means integral error, that is an f. So error of x, it means here that term is important. So error of x is equal to 2 upon under root pi 0 to x e raised to minus t square dt. That is the value of error of x. It means upper limit में जो value होगी that is the error of x is the representation. एक general graph, remember what is the graph? This is line between them. This is x-axis, which is y-axis 0 to 1 and 0 minus 1. So that case, that type of graph. So here that is a graph of this. कभी एग्जाम्स में आते हैं. So that is a error of x. Next हमने next topic is here complementary of error function. So complementary of function, error function, what is this? So a definite integral, again definite integral of the form two upon under root pi, no problem, that is here x to infinity. Only here that case change the limit only. This is the x to infinity and e raised to minus t square dt is called error function. Is called complementary error function. Error function. And it is denoted by error of cx, that is c means complementary 2 upon under root pi x to infinity e raised to minus t square dt here. So that is the complementary error function, and taken the some properties here and proved out something. Taken the some properties. Suppose as a property of error of x and error of cx. Here properties of this. So in that case some write down the properties and what is we get something. So properties are here friends. Write down some properties. So error of 0 first. Error of 0 equal to 0 and error of infinity equal to 1. That is second properties. Third, error of minus x is equal to minus error of x, means error of x is the odd function. Here error of x is odd function. Fourth, error of c 0 equal to 1. Error of complementary function of c equal to 0, and another here taken another properties. So first we write down the properties and after then evaluate. 5, error of c x plus error of x equal to 1. Simple, that is properties. Next of properties 6, error of c minus x plus error of cx is equal to 2 is another properties. And okay, some here, that is properties here. So check out is the one by one how to prove something. The error of 0 and so on, that is how to prove all this. So first go to the first properties here. First properties, what is this? Error of 0 equal to 0. So we know that error of x is equal to 2 upon root pi 0 to x e raised to minus t square dt. Putting error of 0 2 upon root pi 0 to 0 e raised to minus t square dt. So that is 0. Limit 0, it means 0. So error of 0 equal to 0. Next, go to the second properties. Error of infinities. Error of infinity equal to 1. So put here. So error of infinity equal to 2 upon under root pi 0 to infinity e raised to minus t square dt, and that value is under root pi upon 2. So here 2 upon root pi into under root pi upon 2. So that is error of infinity. It means cancel. So error of infinity equal to 1. That is second properties. Proved it. Next, go to the third and so on. So here next properties. Go to the next properties. So check it. Simplify. Suppose first here prove करते हैं. Error of infinities. So error of c0 equal to 1. So first we know that error of cx, what is this? 2 upon under root pi and x to infinity e raised to minus t square dt. So that is value of this. So it means error of c0 equal to 2 upon under root pi and 0 to infinity e raised to minus t square dt. So that value again is under root pi by 2. So 2 upon root pi under root pi upon 2. Cancel. It means error of c0 equal to 1. Again that proof. Next, here that properties. So error of minus x, here proved it. Next, okay, error of minus x is equal to minus error of x. Proved it. This is the odd function. This is odd function. So how can prove this is the odd function here? So first is write down the error of x, 2 upon under root pi and 0 to x e raised to minus t square dt. Next, so error of minus x, how much we get? Dt. No problem. This is, suppose this is 1. So up here that term is removed. आपको रिमूव करना है माइनस एक्स को. सपोज लेट माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू टी. माइनस ऑफ डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू डी टी. माइनस एक्स डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू डी टी. तो check out what is the changing of limits here, that is x, and here t. So the when minus x, here x, and here 0, here 0. So limit is limit 0 to x, no problem. And but here x and replace the minus x, so that is a 0 to x. So limit is 0 to x, and so here error of minus x is equal to 2 upon root pi, no problem, 0 to x e raised to here t, that is at it is no problem. Minus x को replace किया. So here one problem is here, is change the this is already t present है, so that is u consider कर लेते हैं, otherwise u no. Now what is you consider minus of x. So minus of x is suppose only limit of changing. Sorry, that is not required. Minus x of equal to u. Minus x of equal to u. So here that is u consider u. ठीक है, that is u. So minus x is here, limit is change only. That term is considered different. So limit is change 0 to x. So x 0 to 0 to first here of 0 to x means 0 to x, and here so here 0 to u and e raised to minus t square dt. So that case which is no friends, that is wrong. Here is also wrong. And what is this changing of here change, that is changing, it means let t equal to minus of v, that term. So dt is equal to minus dv, and change the limit of now. Some mistakes हो गया, for sorry that's for. So that is here t, it means t and here v. So t is equal to minus of first 0 which is 0 minus of x, that is x. Here put t equal to minus x, so v equal to x. So limit is changed, it means error of minus of x is equal to 0 to x, no problem, 0 to x, and minus here t square, this is a minus, means e raised to minus v square and minus dv. So that is minus 0 to x is to minus v square dv, and that is error of this. So minus error of x, and here error of minus x. So that is basic properties, and prove it. Next, another properties proving. So here error of c and something, error of this is prove it, error of cx plus error of f of c, sorry, error of complementary of x, error of x equal to 1. So only taken the left hand sides and put all these values. So 2 upon under root pi and x to infinity, here that value e raised to minus t square dt plus 2 upon under root pi 0 to x and e raised to minus t square dt. Combine 2 upon under root pi is common, and here that combined we get 0 to infinity, here combined, and e raised to minus t square dt, and which is 2 upon under root pi, and which is under root pi upon 2. So that is cancelled, it is 1. It means is prove it. Next, go to the second problem. So second problem is here. Second here that term is proved. Error of c of minus x plus error of cx is equal to 2. Here, how to prove it? Your target first is find out this. First find out this. What is value? What is value of error of complementary function of minus x? After then something. So first we know that error of cx plus error of x is equal to 1. Herely prove it. So x replaced to minus x, and what is we change? देखते हैं, error of c minus of x plus error of minus x is equal to 1. That term, the error of c of minus x minus error of x equal to 1, because which is the odd function, so this write down. So it means error of c minus x is equal to 1 plus error function x, and which is taken this LHS. So LHS is here error of c minus x plus error of cx. So take it 1 plus error of error of x plus error of cx. So that is 1, and here 1 plus 1 is 2. So which is 2. So that sum is the basic properties, and more than properties here available, but is some basic properties here. And next go to the sum taken problems. So here some taken problems, that is the alternative form of error function is we are remember this and evaluate this. This is the alternative form. ये फार्मूला है तो आप इसको रिमेंबर रखें. नेक्स्ट सम टेकन प्रॉब्लम्स हियर. a to b raised to minus x square, e raised to minus x square dx is equal to this, and 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square minus 2ab dx is under root pi upon 2 e raised to minus a square something, that is a proving. So how to prove something is a very important. प्रूफ कैसे करना है आपको, तो फर्स्ट टेकन द वन बाय वन प्रॉब्लम्स. हम फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम को इस प्रॉब्लम टेकन द आरएचएस से प्रूफ करेंगे हियर. सो टेकन फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम दैट इज 1. सो a to b e raised to minus x square dx is equal to under root pi upon 2 error of b minus error of a. So RHS, so right hand side portions. So RHS is here, so under root pi upon 2 error of b minus error of a. So write down this value, this is under root pi by 2 in sides. So 2 upon under root pi 0 to x and e raised to minus t square dt, but here 0 to b, and minus 2 upon under root pi 0 to a e raised to minus t square dt. So 2 upon root pi is a common, so taken the common, it means here the under root pi upon 2 into 2 upon root pi is cancelled, and 0 to b e raised to minus t square dt minus, so change the limits, minus taken plus, it means here a to 0 and e raised to minus t square dt. Both has combined, so here a to b 0, so both combine this, so it means we get a to b e raised to minus t square dt. T square of dt, then so here t square, but प्रूफ क्या करना है आपको, दैट इज, सो इट मीन्स आप ऐसे भी राइट कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम, a to b is to minus x square dx, no problem. So that is proving, so which is equal to LHS. Prove. So similarly you can take in the second problems and solve it. ये बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट नहीं है फ्रेंड्स, आप अगर थोड़ा टारगेट करेंगे देन वी गेट द फाइंड आउट द इजीली. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है और दैट टाइप का प्रॉब्लम्स आपके एग्जाम्स में आते हैं, सो दैट इज टेक केयर दैट. हियर मींस सपोज हियर I गिवन है 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square minus 2ax dx. So your first task, how to calculate of this is a square. So your task how to calculate that type of problems given हो, so that type of problems how to calculate first. So you how first numerator that is here, your first word power convert to the perfect square form. Perfect square form. How to convert perfect square form? Adding and subtracting half of square of coefficient of x. So simple. This is 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square minus 2ax minus a square plus a square. Square half adding and subtracting half of square of coefficient of a, that is here dx. So 0 to infinity e raised to minus x plus a whole square plus a square dx, that is combined, and here e raised to a square common. Next 0 to infinity e raised to x plus a whole square dx, that is I. So here let x plus a equal to t, x plus a equal to t, and so dx is equal to dt. And what is the changing of limits? What is the changing of limits? Here x, here t, 0 that is a, here is 0 that is a. Next here infinity, so infinity, limit of infinity, that is a infinities. So of here now, so e raised to a square, here a to infinity e raised to minus t square dt, and that is a complementary function of error of a. So it means e raised to a square under pi upon 2 error of CA, error of CA. So error of CA, so that case of next, what is the proving? So that case replace, so under pi upon 2 e raised to a square 1 minus error of a. Here formula is that error of cx plus error of x is equal to 1. The use of this and simplify, that is proof. So for take care that type of problems and something. So bye bye, thank you.